How do dApps work? Now that you know what dApps are, let's take a closer look at how they work. To understand how dApps work, we need to understand some basics of blockchain technology. A blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records transactions across a network of computers. dApps use smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement between buyer and seller being directly written into lines of code. Users can interact with dApps through a user interface, just like with traditional applications. In summary, dApps work by using blockchain technology and smart contracts to create decentralized applications that can be accessed through a user interface.